Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, April 4, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Thursday, April 4, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong April 4, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, April 4, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimate of Lotto 642 is 16 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 89.5 million pesos for April 4, 2024 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, April 4, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.